Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you get commissions on TikTok Shop? Well, the very best way to get a commission is to make sure that you have a well provisioned account, because if you don't have a well provisioned account, this is just simply not going to work, because you're going to be crossing a lot of crossroads, especially when it comes to product ratings and all of that. So being commissioned is actually a stepping stone for you to get those mileage in terms of growth on your account itself. So if you're starting out, I recommend that you have to, as you can see, I've started out a fresh account here, that you ultimately have to provision it, follow their rules and restrictions, follow their regulations as well. It's very important to follow the regulations, because if you don't follow the regulations, then you might as well be stop your business on this e-commerce platform here on in TikTok Shop. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.